Hi, the first experiment that I did was the LED experiment. This is what my breadcrumb board looks like. And I have my microbit already programmed to my code so that if I push button A, then my two lights over here will turn on 4 times and then turn off. For my next experiment, I did the RGB LED light right here. And what I did is when I push button A, it's going to turn red. When I push button B, it'll turn green. And then if I push A and B together, it will turn blue. At that point, I figured out that there was no way to turn it off. And so what I did is programmed it to when I shake it, the light would turn off. So here we go. There's my red. B is my green. It's kind of hard to see in the camera. And then if I push both A and B, it turns blue. And then at that point, I figured there was no way to turn it off. So if I shake it, it'll turn off. Hi, for my next experiment, I did the button down here, right there. And I had it set to where when I pushed the button, it would blink these lights on and off 4 times. And then the way that I wanted it to turn off the light is to do a little shake. So here we go. And then the light stays on, so I give it a little shake and the light turns off. One of the main challenges that I faced was that the microbit wouldn't connect to my computer. I even tried to have the technology department to come in and to help, and they could not fix it either. That was located at my school. The only solution that I found was to purchase a new microbit. But something that I did learn from this experiment was that I could use some of my old previous experiments to create something new. And so I used the past lesson about adding the shake option so that I could create a way for the lights to turn off after my new experiment was on the breadboard. But overall, I really thought that the experiments that I did were fun and challenging.